Meet Tasha. Tasha and her husband have been married for 20 years. They have 2 children in college. They have a 20-year term life insurance policy that is scheduled to end in 4 years. They are interested in seeing what options will work for them in their next stage of life as they look toward retirement. Tasha is worried about making sure they have money for life insurance, but also for their retirement. So she has begun to look into rates for life insurance that will span their lifetime. Tasha wanted to find a long-term life insurance policy with a fixed premium that would allow her and her husband to worry less about renewals and inflating costs with age. Tasha remembered that Resource 7 handled her company benefits and might be able to help her. And when she called R7, she learned how advantageous whole life insurance was and why it would be the best option for her family. Whole life insurance eventually builds cash value that Tasha could withdraw before death. It is even tax-free in many cases. If the company performs well, she may even earn dividends for her performance. Resource 7 is not a captive agent, which means they can quote with multiple carriers to provide options that will best suit Tasha's needs. Tasha thought it was worth a shot. Whole life plans are guaranteed to grow at a particular rate, which is why it is often called a vehicle for investment. The rate of the cash value may be lower than financial products, but could still lower the volatility of Tasha's portfolio. Whole life, unlike term life, is a permanent plan that grows and stretches past the death benefit protection it provides. Fast forward a year later, Tasha can sleep peacefully, knowing she and her husband will be taken care of if something were to happen to either of them. Be like Tasha. Contact Resource 7 for a free quote for whole life insurance. Contact us at 770-692-0020.